Here we are giving information on nursing courses. Nursing involves taking care of patients suffering from all sorts of physical and psychological maladies. Nurses constantly have to monitor the condition of these patients and administer prescribed medicines at regular intervals. They also assist medical specialists and help set up medical equipment in operation theaters and clinical laboratories. Furthermore, nurses provide assistance to people who are unable to lead a normal life due to one reason or another or are recovering from illness. Other than these general activities, nurses can acquire specialization in a particular area such as midwifery, cardiac care, intensive care, orthopedics, pediatrics and so on. Nurses also have to keep abreast with the latest technological developments in the field of medicine. Nursing is not just taking care of the sick. Other opportunities for qualified nurses include teaching, administration and research jobs. An interesting aspect of this profession is that a vast majority of nurses are women. However, of late, men are also showing interest in the profession. Nurses are healthcare professionals. They play an important role in the smooth functioning of healthcare sector. Nurses usually work under qualified doctors. Nursing professionals with PG degree may advance onto roles like specialist, educator, administrator, etc. Indian nurses have an ocean of opportunity abroad. Qualified Indian nurses are in huge demand in developed countries like Australia, New Zealand, Europe, USA, Gulf countries and plying their trade there. In fact, there is huge demand for qualified Indian nurses in those countries. Pay and perks they offer is much more than what it is in India. Nursing after 10th. Paramedical nursing courses can be pursued after 10th. Course duration is 1 to 2 years. After completing any of the above-mentioned course, one may start working as a paramedic in the healthcare sector. Following are the paramedical nursing courses. 1. Diploma in Nursing Care Assistant. 2. Certificate in Nursing Care Assistant. 3. Diploma in Ayurvedic Nursing. 4. Certificate in Home-Based Healthcare. 5. Diploma in Rural Healthcare. Nursing courses after 12th. There are degree and diploma nursing courses available, which can be pursued after completing 12th PUC. Following are the nursing courses after 12th. 1. B.Sc Nursing, Basic. 2. B.Sc Nursing, Post Basic. 3. GNM, General Nursing and Midwifery. 4. AMN, Auxiliary Nursing and Midwifery. Nursing courses after degree. Following are the PG courses are after Nursing Degree 1, MSc Nursing, 2, PG Diploma Nursing, 3, MPhil Nursing, 4, PhD. PG courses can be used to specialize in various specialties available in the medical profession. Details of degree courses. B.Sc Nursing, Basic, students who have passed 10+2, science stream with physics, chemistry and biology subjects from a recognized board are eligible to pursue this course. Duration of course is 4 years. Minimum aggregate marks criteria may exist in some institutes. The academic program consists of a holistic mixture of classroom lectures and practical sessions. Apart from that, the program also has regular internship and hospital training sessions, modules. Healthcare setups are the main recruiters. Nurses can be seen working in healthcare setups like hospitals, government and private, clinics, nursing homes, rehabilitation clinics, centers, community health centers, NGOs. Apart from that, they may also find work in healthcare initiatives and schemes run by the government, targeting communities and rural areas. Nurses possessing PG degree may even work at nursing schools, institutes as educators. B.Sc Nursing, Post Basic, candidate must have passed GNM, General Nursing and Midwifery, course after completing 10+2 schooling, science stream preferred in 10+2. Candidate should be a registered nurse and midwife with any state nursing registration council. Post-basic B.Sc Nursing is a degree program, Bachelor of Science degree. This course is also known by the short name of B.Sc Nursing. Course duration is 2 years. Career prospects and job opportunities in India. qualified nurses may find a job in government as well as private sector. Healthcare sectors like hospitals, clinics and nursing homes are the main recruiters. They may also join the armed forces. Common job profiles available in front of nurses include, depending upon their qualification and specialization, 1. Chief Nursing Officer, 2. Assistant Nursing Officer, 3. Critical Care Nurse, 4. Pediatric Surgery Nurse, 5. Nurse Manager, Supervisor, 6. Rehabilitation Specialist. GNM, General Nursing and Midwifery. It is a diploma course, commonly just known as GNM course. Course duration is 3.5 years long. Academic program is of 3 years and 6 months are dedicated towards internship. Internship is mandatory. After completing this course, successful candidates may register themselves as registered nurse or midwife with State Nurse Registration Council. For this 10+2 passed in any stream, preferably science with PCB subjects, from a recognized board can apply. Minimum aggregate marks required may vary from one institute to another, generally around 50% marks. Candidate must be at least 17 years of age. Eligibility criteria may vary from one institute to another. Many institutes give admission to 10+2 passed students from any stream, science/commerce/arts. GNM is a job-oriented course. Still, it is just a diploma program. There's much more valuable degree nursing program out there. Completing the degree program will further boost one's career prospects and job opportunities. GNM is a diploma course. It doesn't offer diverse job profiles. Handful of job profiles available in front of GNM nurses are staff nurse, home nurse, health visitor, community health worker. Common places, areas where one may find a job include public health centers, government hospitals, nursing homes, NGOs, old age homes, government health schemes, private hospitals, clinics, government dispensaries. After completing GNM course and getting registered with the State Nurse Registration Council, one may pursue the B.Sc. Nursing, post-basic, course. This course will lead one to a bachelor's degree in nursing. The course duration is 2 years, 3 years in case of distance education mode. After completing B.Sc. Nursing, post-basic, course, one may go for even advanced PG programs. Auxiliary Nurse Midwifery, A&M. Auxiliary Nurse Midwifery in Nursing is a 2-year undergraduate certificate level course in medical nursing. The duration of the course varies for different institutes. It often ranges from 1 to 3 academic years. Minimum eligibility to A&M course is 10+2 level of education with minimum aggregate of 45% marks. Admission to the course is based on the round of counseling conducted after the candidate's qualification of a relevant entrance test. The course may also be offered on part-time basis in some institutes. The course deals with the field of medicine and covers components of the healthcare. It focuses on providing medical care to individuals, families, and communities, so they may attain, maintain, or recover optimal health and quality of life from conception to death. Course syllabus varies across different A&M nursing colleges. Such professionals are hired in capacities such as clinical nurse specialist, legal nurse consultant, forensic nurse, madam in charge and helper, teacher and junior lecturer, traveling nurse, receptionist and entry operator, brand representative, sale purchase assistant and emergency room nurse, midwife nurse, etc. Listed below are some of the top entrance exams conducted in the country for admission to the course. Diploma Nursing Entrance Exam, JIMA Nursing, Adish University Nursing Admission, AIMS Nursing Entrance Exam, BHU Nursing Entrance Exam, Indian Army Nursing and GNM, KIMS University Nursing Entrance, NAGRIMS Nursing. Top job profiles for A&M nursing diploma holders are community health worker, home nurse, health visitor, basic health worker, rural health worker. Top employment areas include rural health centers, government hospitals, NGOs, old age homes, government dispensaries, medical colleges, nursing homes, self-clinic, medical labs, medical content writing, community healthcare centers. Thanks for watching EV Learning Tools. Keep watch and subscribe our channel for more information.